My channel. So for this week's video, I am sharing with you a rustic kind of a raw edged coffee tray, serving tray. I have seen these things all over Pinterest and Google, and I wanted one for a really long time, but you know me, I have to DIY absolutely everything. As always, I went to Trusty Michael's, got my supplies. I believe it was under $10 for everything. I will put the actual amount in the description box below so you can check out the amount and click on the links to the products that I use. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting out, I took this raw edged wood slice that I got from Michael's. I will link all the products in the description that I use. It turns out that these are very messy. Next, I took these little wooden, I think of them as feet. I'm not actually sure what they're supposed to be, but I was going to use these 4 smaller ones as feet. Next, I took my E6000 glue and started gluing them down. Once I had them all placed, I went ahead and let it dry.
1 hour later.
Once it was dried, I went ahead and sealed it with polyurethane. Again, it was very messy. That live edge or the raw edge is very, not dirty, but it like sheds a lot of wood. Is that the right term? I don't know. It's messy. So for the actual live edge wood, I tried to blot on a bunch of polyurethane just to try to seal everything in. Once the top polyurethane had dried, I went ahead and just did the bottom side with polyacrylic because I didn't want to mess with it again. And this is what it looks like all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it inspires you to make one of your own. They are super fun to make, super easy, and they turn out amazing. I am loving the way that this looks in my kitchen. I kind of cleared off some of the space around it, and I'm loving the more simplified, you know, feel to the kitchen. But yeah, after applying the top coat to the raw edge of the wood, it no longer is really messy anymore, and I can just move it wherever, and it looks really cute. It looks really good with Rae Dunn on it too. So, you know, I'm really happy about that. I'm also going to be releasing a different version of this coffee tray serving stand thing on Wednesday. It's going to be a more farmhouse style inspired version versus this one being more rustic. So if you're into that, check back next Wednesday or this Wednesday and I will post it there Wednesday evening. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!